What's happening, YouTube? Welcome to another workout in my series of workouts at home. These workouts are to burn fat. They're meant to compensate for closed gyms, house arrest, in a quarantine slash pandemic situation. We're probably past that point right now. But these are workouts you can do at home with very little equipment required, very little time, and a lot of results. Make sure to look in the description for what the exercises are, and you can modify it to how your fitness level is currently. And just before I let you guys watch the workout, make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel just to support and just to be in tune for Wednesdays, because I'll be posting this throughout the next few Wednesdays. And for any coaching or for any assistance with meal plans and training, links are down below. And of course, health is wealth. So I like to stay healthy, right? And I don't like to take too much supplements, but I do pay attention to things like fish oil, multivitamin, probiotics, apple cider vinegar, and things like that. So you can use my discount code DMULO15 to get 15% off of any products on Vitamin Bounty. Really good company. I'm with them because they promote health. That's why. And there's a lot of products on there for people that do the ketogenic diet, for things you require in your body that you might not get from your nutrition already. I highly recommend it. It's awesome. It's not sports-based supplements. It's health-based supplements. So that really help you guys out. And anyways, enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Peace.